Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about distributed constraints. So constraints provide control on randomization from which the user can control the values on the randomization. It would be good if it is possible to control the occurrence or repetition of the same value on randomization. Yes, it is possible. With the dist operator, some values can be allocated more often to a random variable. This is called a weighted distribution. Dist is an operator. It takes a list of values and weights separated by colon equal to or colon slash operator. So with the help of dist operator, we can decide how many times a value should be assigned to a rand variable. So with the help of dist variable, we can give the weight for the. So as the name says, in weighted distribution, weight will be specified to the values inside the constraint block. Value with the more weight get allocated more often to a random variable. So there are basically two types of distributed constraints. So this is one type, colon followed by equal to and colon followed by slash. We will look at. So here left hand side indicates the value and right hand side indicates the weight, and in middle this is the distribution operator, colon equal to or colon slash. So the value and weights can be constants or variables. Value can be single or a range, and the default weight of an unspecified value is equal to 1. The sum of weights need not to be 100. So the weight can be a range of values, or it can be a single value, and the default value of the weight is 1. Colon equal to operator. The colon equal to operator assigns the specified weight to the item, or if the item is a range, specified weight to every value in the range. For example, here we have ADDR. This is a random variable. It has been declared as rand ADDR, and for this random variable we are using the keyword dist, and within curly braces we are assigning this is value. So we are assigning 2 colon equal to 5. 2 is value and 5 is equal to weight, and 5 is equal to weight. So here the value 2 has a weight of 5. This means value 2 is repeated for 5 times. This is the meaning of this. And here 10 down to 12 colon equal to 8. 10 down to 12 colon equal to 8. This is the weight, and this is value. Value is given as a range, that is 10 is repeated for 8 times, 11 is repeated for 8 times, and 12 is repeated for 8 times. This is the colon equal to operator. Next, colon slash operator assigns a specified weight to the item, or if the item is a range, specified weight divided by n to every value in the range, where n is a number of values in the range. For example, ADDR dist within curly braces we are giving 2 colon slash 5. This means 2 is repeated, 2 is the value, and 5 is the weight. This means 2 is repeated for 5 times. Next, 10 down to 12 colon slash 8. 10 down to 12 colon slash 8. This means here in 10 down to 12 we have total 10, 11, 12, 3 values. So the weight, so the and the given weight is 8. So the formula for this is weight divided by total number of values, that is 3, 8 by 3. So the weight for each value is given by 8 by 3. 8 is a weight and 3 is the number of values in the range. So that's why we have, so here 10 will be repeated for 8 by 3 times, and 11 will be repeated for 8 by 3 times, and 12 will be repeated for 8 by 3 times. Let's see an example here. We have a class called packet, and we have declared addr underscore 1 and addr underscore 2 as ran type of bit data type, and the size is 4 bit. We have two constraints. One is at addr underscore 1 underscore range, and other is addr underscore 2 underscore range. And within a curly braces, we are giving addr underscore 1, we are using dist keyword, and we are assigning 2 colon equal to 5, and we are giving a range that is 10 down to 12 colon equal to 8. So here 2 colon equal to 5, that is 2 will be repeated 5 times, and 10 down to 12 colon equal to 8, that is 10 comma 11 comma 12 will be repeated 8 times. This is the meaning of this. Next, in the second constraint we have 2 colon slash 2 colon slash 5 and 2 colon slash 5. This means 2 will be repeated 5 times. 2 is a value and 5 is the weight. Next, we have a range 10 down to 12 colon slash 8. This means the total weight we have 8, and the number of values we have in this range is 3. So this means 10 will be repeated for 8 by 3 times, and 11 will be repeated for 8 by 3 times, and 12 will be repeated for 8 by 3 times. So this is the meaning of this constraints. And within a module initial begin, we are declaring a packet, we are declaring the handle for this class and creating an object, and we are repeating 10 times, and we are randomizing the packet, and we are displaying the value of addr underscore 1, and again we are repeating 10 times, and we are randomizing the packet, and we are displaying the value of addr underscore 2. Let's see the output. Here addr underscore 1 is getting the value of 2 for 2 times, and we have declared the range 10 down to 12 as 8, that is the value 10 11 12 has a weight of 8, that is it should repeat 8 times. Let's see, 12 is repeating for 1 2 3 4, so 12 is repeating for 4 times, and 11 is repeating for 1 2 3 times, 11 is repeating for 3 times, and 10 is repeating for 1 time, and 2 is repeating for 2 times. Since we are giving repeat of 10, so it will adjust itself and give the values accordingly. And in the next constraint we are giving, and in the next constraint we are getting 2 for 1 2 3, we are getting 2 for 3 times, and 10 for 1 2 3 times, 10 for 3 times, and 12 for 1 2 2 times, and 11 for 2 times. So this is all about distributed constraints. Thank you for watching this video.